Hello and welcome to an episode of Historically Marked, a Route 66 edition. And I am in Rancho Cucamonga, California at what is known as the Richfield Service Station. And it's the only of its kind still standing left in the state of California. So it's very thrilling to be literally on the grounds. But there's a historical marker here. Again, I'm with my friend Adventure Vin, or Vince. We're gonna go inside and also take a look around the area. So definitely check this out with us. All right, here we go. So as you can see, this is the real deal. Well, it's been restored. I'll get more on that. And in case you're driving on Foothill Boulevard, it's about 15 miles west of San Bernardino. So it's gonna be kind of tricky to find. However, if you find this big sign, this advertisement, and then it's on your right as you're going westward towards, Pasadena. All right, this is the Cucamonga Service Station, and the historical marker is right at this flagpole. All right, this was put up in 2015 by the Native Sons of the Golden West. The Cucamonga Service Station was built by Henry Klussman in 1915 on the state route, which would 10 years later be designated as Route 66. This type and style of station is one of few remaining that once numbered in the thousands and greeted travelers along US Route 66. William Harvey was the first owner, and then in 1925, Ansel Morris purchased the station and became a Richfield distributor. Arvid Chief Lewis, Cucamonga's first fire chief, owned the station from 1945 until it closed in 1971. It wasn't until the April 2009 the City Council of Rancho Cucamonga designated the station a city historical landmark. And in 2013, the group, the Route 66 Inland Empire California, took title of the station and began the restoration process. The station was reopened in August 2015, and it's a museum. I was actually planning on coming here tomorrow, but unfortunately this place is very limited days open, and that's fine. It's understandable for times like these, but it is closed Monday through Wednesday, but throughout the weekend, today's Sunday, so we came on a good day. My friend Vince didn't want me to miss out on this, and I don't blame him because it's a really cool place, and just about every curious Route 66 traveler comes here. So it prides itself as an award-winning, nationally recognized Route 66 landmark, attracting tourists and Mother Road enthusiasts from all over the world. And again, this was left abandoned for decades. I'm pretty sure, as we were driving over here, we saw so many, all these structures, like strip malls, all lined up around here. And I guess this was probably slated for demolition, even though I don't really know very much about if that was true or not. But as of today, the museum/station is not just used for tourism, but for fundraising events, which include monthly brunches, wine tastings, an annual car show, and so much more. As a matter of fact, speaking of wine, now I did hear where the oldest winery in California, or I'm sorry, well, the first winery in California is in this town, which I guess is considered a suburb of Los Angeles. And I think it's just up that way, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go ahead and oh, there's a couple more markers. As early as 1914, William Harvey, the original owner of the station, had been serving the agricultural and motoring needs of the Cucamonga region. Oh yeah, pretty much it's the same stuff. This one has the shield. That'd be cool to leave a brick here. I don't know what to put on it besides my name, but... Now my friend Vince has been here a few times, and he said this is the first time they've been blasting out music. So I'm trying to talk over it as much as I can because I don't want YouTube to say I'm breaking copyright issues or laws. So I'm gonna go ahead and give a little stroll through here, maybe put in some music of my own here. Now please keep in mind there isn't really much parking here, so hopefully there's not a big group or a bus here when you come here. But they do have brick engraving programs, and maybe that's something I should do at a later time. Kind of leave my mark here knowing that I contributed. And if you want to use the restroom, there you go. And this here is
Did you look around for
we call it the gift shop part. Definitely need to buy a few of these magnets.
That's what I was told. Yeah, it was in storage when you guys do your...
And if you want books focused on local, like Mexican American baseball in the San Gabriel Valley.
People started following me. And it's kind of interesting. I did Route 66 the entirety round trip on my KR 650 motorcycle.
Oh, wow.
I did it in 2018, and I just started riding motorcycles only a couple years before that. I never rode a motorcycle before.
No, that's how I got put in them.
And then let's see what this is. Okay, recognitions. 2009 city landmark by the Rancho Cucamonga City Council. Historical marker October 2015 by the Native Sons of the Golden West. And plenty more. Certificate there from the California legislature. Ah, yes. The Route 66 Inland Empire is actually an organization which Vince is part of. And here's just the back room. This one has a lot of old news clippings and photos. Definitely worth a shot. And I imagine this is how the mechanics dressed when they were in here. And yeah, I think I gotta make a call. Or check out this so Richfield Travel Guide. It's almost like somebody pretty much literally saved everything. Which is a good thing. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from your Richfield dealer. Okay, I don't even want to know what that is. Bingo. All right, thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Historically Marked Route 66 edition. I'm at the Rancho Cucamonga Richfield Service Station. Signing off.